tutorial I'm going to show you how to change primary mouse button in Windows 11. If you want to change it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that we need to open settings. Of course, home settings will be displayed here, but we are interested in to go to Bluetooth and devices settings. So I open this tab, and after that I need to scroll down and find here something like mouse, buttons, mouse pointer speed, and scrolling settings. I click on this arrow, and then the first option here on the list is primary mouse button settings. On default it is set to left, but of course if you want to change it, you need to click on this list, and then you have here two options, left or right. So for example, I set here right, and now primary mouse button has been successfully changed. Of course, if you want to change it again, this time you need to click right mouse button here, and then you need to select here left. So in this way you can change it to the left or to the right. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.